At this mountain where I am right now, right here, today, I just want to meet God. I want His touch. I want His healing power because this mountain reminds me 20 years ago when I was here coming to this mountain, prayer and fasting at this mountain. Now, I don't think if the same thing still happens at this mountain because I can see there are a lot of houses around the place. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about this mountain and these houses which they've built on this mountain because this mountain brings back that memory. I saw lame people walking, I saw sick people being healed at this mountain, and today I've come to this mountain and I want to meet God. I want to meet Him. So we are going to find out in this video if I'm going to meet Him truly the way I used to meet Him 20 years ago. Thank you for joining, guys. Please do me a favor. This video is so important to me. Like this video, comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Please, guys, support me by subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the masterpiece, Timothy Hara. So, guys, you can see here, like here, this is where people comes to worship. You can see they've even built altars. You know altars? Altars. In Bemba they say Fipairo. This is a water. This is a water where the pastor comes, maybe he's there praying, whatsoever is meeting is meeting God. These people are too religious. So this is one of the amazing places here in Ndola Zambia, and you can see people, they've built houses there, they've built, so which means they are slowly destroying, like what can I say, they are slowly chasing away those people who are worshiping here, because you cannot have a house there and people, they are worshiping here all night, and there is maybe a bar, you know, where there are houses, there is a bar nearby. So this is a place. And there is one thing that I want to show you, one thing that I really remember 20 years ago when I was here in Ndola Zambia. And there is this altar, another altar which was built 20 years ago. Let me show you. You see this altar, women of virtue, women of virtue. This altar has been here almost 30 years ago. 30 years ago. And this is more like a church. Every Sunday, people comes to worship here. You understand? Every Sunday. And you see, these are the benches. These are the benches, or these are the chairs for the same people. You see? So let me even get blessed when I sit here, so that I'm explaining to you. You can listen to this. There are people praying in tongues. There are people praying there. So, you see. This is what I was telling you. So, I'm sitting on a place of, oh, guys, I'm enjoying my life here. I'm enjoying my life. So, this is it. Guys, let's go. Let's keep on moving. I want to show you like people what is changing here. See, you see, this is a house. Somebody has built a house here on this mountain, and there is another big one. That is a big one. Another. I really remember, like every second of this area, every bit. See, that is the house. See, and that is the second mountain there. Oh, the third one. See, people, somebody is even building here. See, let me even move a bit, go this side, so that I show you what is really happening. What is really happening? Yeah, let me show you something. A place of waters. A place of waters for those people who are too spiritual. This is another water. You see, this is another water. So you see, there are those ladies there. People are worshiping there by fire, by force. The story here is so amazing. You see, so you see all this area. The mountain is being, or the mountain is changing bit by bit here in Ndola Zambia. See? See? And when you see this, there are blue stones here. These blue stones, they are being painted by people. Those people who say, "Oh, this is my area, this is my place," and some of the people, they come here to sleep here. They come here to sleep. Let me show you the evidence. Like, this is where people sleep. You see, this is a shed of somebody who was here at the mountain. Even there is even a trouser here. This is a trouser. This is a trouser for him. I don't know. There's even a first towel there. So this is where I think this gives me a sense of feeling to say somebody is here. Somebody has not left this place. So this is the area. You see? This is what is happening here in Ndola, Zambia. Guys, if you are in America, you are in England, you are in Malaysia, you are in different parts of the world, and I'm here to tell you that Zambia, Ndola is one of the beautiful places, and people see, Ndola is beautiful, I'm telling you. All these areas, see how people are building their houses on top of the mountain. See this. You see this? Those houses there. Wow. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. We go. Which way are we going to use? Which way are we going to go? This is a place. So let me show you something. That is a graveyard that you are seeing there. So guys, we are stepping down. We are going down. Yeah, you can see. I think if I just reach down there, then this will be the end of the video because my battery is flat. I didn't charge my phone, and I'm so glad that I'm able. I've done my work. It's now time to do your work too, so that you can watch this video, share this video to your family and friends. Now I don't know where to pass. So many stones here, and I don't know how these people from here, they were building their houses. Excuse me. See, there's a house there. This place. Oh, oh wait. People. There is even electric power here. That pole that you're seeing there. So somebody does. See this. See the foundation. This is a foundation. This one. This is the foundation. So somebody wants to build here. So I wish if I'd had another phone, if I had the GoPro, I would have done another video on that on that mountain, because there are houses there you can see. So I can say finally, guys, thank you for watching. I'm running, guys, climbing the mountain. You see, these are the houses that I was showing you. See, wow, wow. See this. Wow, wow. See this. So tired. So damn fucking tired. So this is, see that woman there? There's a woman going on top of the mountain there. And these three women, they're coming from the mountain. You see. So all this area is on top of the mountain, guys. Wow. So if you were to buy a plot here, like, how much can you buy it? Because I don't know how much worth it can be because of the area itself. You see? So right now I'm going home. These are some of the amazing houses. Has amazing blocks. You can see people, they are serious in building their premises. See. It's one of the exciting videos that I've ever done on this channel. See. Chicken for sale. See this, guys. See this. Even a beautiful car. That is a beautiful car. Mountainside oasis. Even another brother. Another beautiful. There's even a small car, very beautiful.